guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles, my name is Ashleigh and I have a haul for you guys today. If you can't tell by the title, it is from Hobby Lobby and Tuesday morning. It's not very much, just so I combined them together because there's not a whole lot there. I wanted to do it like this version here where you see only my hands. They're doing some dancing. Yes, I know. I am currently sick, or was sick, and I'm just at the end of it and trying to get all the nasty out of my airways. I'm sorry if my voice is annoying or sounds very manly or very much like a little boy that's fixing to go through puberty. I can't help it, and I don't want to do a face video because I'm not that great looking right now. I'm not ever great looking, but you know what I mean. I just don't want to do a face video. So what I've got today, like I said, is a haul for you guys. And so the first thing I'm going to show you is from Hobby Lobby, or first stuff I'm going to show you is from Hobby Lobby. So let's jump right on into it. The first thing I wanted to get was some new material. I had some ideas in mind for some things, and the first thing I picked up was this awesome striped material. It is like a dark gray and white. It might be picking up black and white on camera, but it's not. It's like I said, it's like a dark gray. And they were each all the material I got was like, I spent like $9 and stuff there. You can see. Yeah, you can see it was a while back too. It's been sitting here. I've been sick, and then I've been putting off doing the haul because I had other things to do, and then I got sick, and then I was like, I just can't put this off anymore, so you guys get to listen to my lovely voice. But yeah, so I got this material. It's by cotton. It's pretty soft. Not much else but that. It's pretty self-explanatory there. I got a yard of each of these things. The next thing I got is this triangle pattern. It's gray with some different color triangles. Very much so remind me of the 90s. And this is who makes it. It's pretty cute, I thought. Like I said, it reminded me of the 90s. So, and I have some ideas coming up. I'm not going to divulge too much, just in case I don't do it. And then the next thing, material related, I got was some Pellon, and it's just the iron-on infusible one for that project. And then because I needed some zippers, I got me some zippers. Just some 17 inches, 18 centimeters, and this is dark rose, new gray. Again, these are all the same size, and Caribbean blue. To me, that is not blue. That is more green. Though in the camera, it's kind of blue. It's not. It's green. And then I went to the clearance section, and I picked up these clips. I've been scrapbooking, and like I said, they came from the clearance section. They were $1.25. They are Fleet Market Fancy, and it's by the Paper Studio. And they just say Monday. Oops, can you see? There we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, today. I know, very weird. There's no Sunday in there, but I didn't realize that until after I purchased it and brought it home, and my daddy came over to visit me, and I was showing him the stuff I got, and he's like, well, that's probably why it's in clearance. It says Saturday, but I don't know if that's really the reason or not. I just liked them, and I don't do anything on Sunday anyway, so that doesn't really matter to me. The next thing I got was this resin mold, jewelry resin mold, and it was $4.99. Which I thought was not bad because you get all these different shapes. But like the last haul I did, I got the resin, and I didn't have any molds. Well, I have that amazing mold putty stuff, and I thought I could make some, but then I was like, just gonna get some just because I'm lazy. And so I picked up this, and I thought it was pretty good for all the different shapes you got, and especially for me just trying it out. I didn't want to go too crazy and buy like 6 million molds and then just be like, I don't like working with this. So again, this is just for me to try it, just to see how I like it. I know it says jewelry mold. I'm probably not going to be making jewelry out of it. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I just want to try it. Just going to try it. But I've been very scared to do it, especially now with being sick, because I can't breathe as it is. And that's it for Hobby Lobby. Let's jump on into Tuesday morning. So I'm going to start with the only not craft related item, and that is this dressing tape by Heidi Klum. and I got it because it was in clearance. I don't remember what the percentage off was. This was for this color of sticker, and you can see there it's originally $4.99. I don't know why I got it, because I wanted to try it. I've always wanted some, but I never really had a need for it. But then it was in clearance, so I thought, why not? You know, why not? So there's that. So the next clearance item I got was this, again for the planner, and it's the Heidi Swap thing, and it was, I don't know what it was, again for the percentage off there, but it was originally $1.99. What I thought was funny though was that I saw these exact same clips here, or paper clips, in the regular crafting section, and they were full price, and then I go back to clearance and I saw them there, and I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna get these. So yeah, they're just real cute, just some glitter, polka dot stripes, polka dot glitter, polka dots. I don't know, they're cute, I thought, and they would match my planner. Now I have these chalk markers. Not pretty self-explanatory there. I wanted to get some new ones. I had picked up some before from the dollar store, and they worked pretty well, but I haven't been able to find them from the dollar store again. And I wanted to get some chalk markers for those chalkboard stickers I got from the last haul, and this is what I found, and they were $3.49. So a little bit more than I would normally like to pay, but you know, I thought not too bad of a deal. Then after that, I got these iron-on patches. Pretty simple DIY there, and I got it for my daughter, and she was very excited when she saw them. She was like, "Let's put them on now," and I couldn't. And I showed them to her at the wrong time because couldn't do them right then, and I probably should have waited to show them to her. But yeah, there's the instructions, and they were $1.99. And there's a crown, a rainbow, a unicorn, and a mermaid, and they're just real cute. She has a jean jacket, and I just thought it would be really cute to do up her jacket and make it her own and stuff like that. So does she. She thought it was really cute. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these cute tassels. Got 2 different sizes and 2 different colors. I got pink, green, baby blue, and this blue in both sizes. I'm not going to tell you these colors because I am sucking at colors today. I don't know. I can see them just fine. I just don't know the names of them. I'm just stuck for words. And they were $1.99 each. I was only going to get one, and I was like, oh, I'll just get one each. But then I'm like, well, what if I want this size? And then what if I want this size of this color? And then I ended up getting 4. Alright, so I mean, which I'm kind of glad I did, because I have an idea for these projects to kind of go with another project I have in mind. And they're real cute. I mean, these are not very big, but they're super cute. And that's something I would never make on my own. So to be able to add them to projects would be great. I know I've told you guys this before, I don't really like gold, but this is not too bad. Maybe I can paint them. I don't know. It seems to be, I'm picking up a lot more gold lately. I don't know what the deal with that is. It's not on purpose. Probably because it's what's out there and what's popular right now. Anyway, there's these. They're real cute. Got those, again, $1.99 each, so about $2 each. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. $8 there. Not too bad. Okay, and then these are the last things I got. So, you guys know how I love Halloween things. It's very hard to not pick up Halloween things when I find them, especially when they're on sale. And I found this. It is a Hocus Pocus paper pack. And it's not just a paper pack, it's paper and sticker pack. And I got them for $5.99. They're so cute. I liked this one because it's more like an adult, I guess, adulty Halloweeny. I don't know how else to say it. You'll see the difference in between the two. I'll show you the second one in there in a second. And it had more like, not nostalgia, but I can't remember the word I'm looking for. I can never remember the word when I go to film. There's a lot of things I forget. Anyway, it was cute, I thought, and these are by Echo Park Paper Co. And the stickers were really cute, I thought. It has all those letter stickers. They're really cute. And then it has this banner and Hocus Pocus. And of course, Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite Halloween movies, of course. Last Halloween, me and 2 other friends went as the Sanderson sisters. It was so much fun. Anyway, I'm getting off topic here. So there's some stickers there. They're real cute. and the paper is really adorable, I thought, and it's just, I don't know, a nice sticker packet. Not really much else I can say. And then after that, I've also found another one. There were 2 of these and then 1 Hocus Pocus left. Obviously, I had to get both of them because I couldn't leave one behind, because anytime I go to Tuesday morning, which is not very often at all because I always forget about it, I will go around Halloween, and every time I go, there's never Halloween things there, especially in the craft section. So when I find it there, I do try to purchase it if it's worth it. So again, $5.99, and this paper pack here reminded me of more kitty kind of stuff, and I thought if anything, if I don't use it, my kids could use it. Same people make it, Echo Park, and they have I keep forgetting my camera's upside down, sorry. So I have all these cute little stickers, and the Dracula or vampire, witch, Frankenstein's monster, and then all the words, spiderweb, a ghost. It's really cute. I just thought it was really, really cute, just like the other one. But like I said, this is more kitty, and the other one's more adult feeling to me. I mean, the difference in them at least. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. That is a thumbs up for me and a thumbs down for you. But don't give me a thumbs down, please. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And follow me on Instagram at hello.sparkles. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Which was your favorite item? What was your favorite buy? Your favorite find, or whatever. And yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.